Oh, out there, Jeep land. This is 05 Jeep Liberty. Rough idle issue, 3.7 V6. Everybody says to clean your throttle position sensor, your butterfly, and your throttle body while taking your air box off, your cold air intake. But the actual issue is it's either a cracked head, burnt valves, or if you're lucky, plugs. It takes air, fuel, fire for a vehicle to run. Disconnect your battery cable, start with, before you unplug anything, touch anything, might arc. Disconnect your negative on your battery cable. Okay, these coils are held in by just a simple 10mm 6-point nut. They pull straight out. These pins can be aggravating. These clips, these pins, push the clip in. I push mine in, and then I pull it loose to disconnect it. Push in the pin, push in, and disconnect. That's how that works. If not, you may be sitting there struggling with it a while, but especially if it's not been changed like these in a while. I changed all 6 coil packs, both sides. You can get them on eBay for $49.99 from 02 to 99 Chrysler or Jeep. 3.7 liter V6. I went back with a NGKR spark plugs, V-Power, OEM. Get them at any AutoZone, Napa, O'Reilly's, CarQuest, you know, any one that might be in your neighborhood. The ones I took out, you can actually tell, you know, if you're any kind of mechanic at all or mechanical inclined, this plug is fried. This won't even read on my actual gauge. It won't even read 100 as high as it goes, and that's a big gap, but it won't even read it. Okay, I'll show you what it fixes a rough idle. Let's crank the vehicle real quick. Rough idle fix. Looks like brand new. Thank you. If you like, hit like, subscribe please for more videos to come. Thank you.